This is the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x multiplying 1 minus cosine x, and this whole thing divided by 2x squared in the denominator. First, what we're going to do is recognize that this is a 2 here, and then we have to also remember that there's always an implied 1 in that position. So the 1/2 by limits can go outside the limits. So you have 1/2 limit as x goes to 0 of sine of x multiplying 1 minus cosine x over just x squared. We have to rewrite that x squared. So you're going to have 1/2 limit as x goes to 0 of sine x times 1 minus cosine x over x times x. And over is in red there, I'm rewriting it. Now let's separate this more. So it's going to be 1/2 limit as x goes to 0. And then what we have here is sine x over x times 1 minus cosine x over x. This is allowed by our basic fraction rules. Now we can distribute the limit to each fraction within the parentheses. So you're going to have 1/2 limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x times the limit as x goes to 0 of 1 minus cosine x over x. Each of these limits is well known, so you end up with 1/2 times 1 times 0. And of course, this is just equal to 0. If this has been helpful, please be sure to leave a like and smash that like button like it owes you money.